Hi guys, it's June here. Today I'm going to show you guys a really simple dish. Fast and simple dish. All you need is some garlic, eggplant, little shrimp. First, we'll chop up the garlic. Now that we have the garlic chopped up, next let's cut up some chilies. Some small chilies, just 2 is fine. Next up, let's cut up I've soaked some mushroom, Shitake mushroom, which were originally dried and soaked in some water. Cut them up in slices, thin slice. And lastly, let's cut up some eggplant. Cut them into little smaller pieces. Like this. Now that the eggplant is chopped up, let's steam it for about 20 minutes. So let's steam the eggplant for about 20 minutes. Now that about 10-15 minutes has passed, let's have a look. Use a chopstick or fork. The eggplant is soft enough. Now it's ready. So let's start. Put some oil. The garlic. More garlic. I just love the sound of sizzling garlic. Next, let's put the chili. Almost any of it. Mushroom. the steamed eggplant. This was very important. Let's add some frozen shrimp, little shrimp. Keep simmering and stir frying until the eggplant is even more soft. For this dish we do not need to add any salt because we are going to use fish sauce. With the fish sauce, this dish will be really tasty and it's really nice. It smells really nice with the chili and the mushroom. Next, let's add some, this is corn starch mixed with water for the sauce. This will make the sauce for this dish a little bit thicker. Keep simmering. And let's add a little bit of soy sauce. And just keep simmering. Then now we just let it simmer, put the lid on and leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's have a look after 2 to 3 minutes. Smells really nice. Now, dish is finished.
Looks delicious, Daddy.